My name is Tasnim Mahdy and I am a muralist and an artist. I work with different communities, a lot of them are marginalised communities, to make public art. So we're here at Toynbee Studios and we're doing the summer school with art chalk. I love doing projects that are not just one day. You get to actually foster some kind of relationship, working with this small group and managing to make a piece that tells kind of a story. Every single one of them have expressed themselves visually to talk about their identity and about themselves and about confidence. And they've also made friendships. I hope that from this week the participants feel connected to one another and feel like the mural and the work represent some of the emotions and stories that we shared. I hope that they are able to know that they can always go to art and use these methods to tell whatever it is they want to stand up for and whatever they want to say.